Hello, good morning.
Hello, good day, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Joyful Malaki Balista. I'm 30 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I am the second daughter. I have one sister and one brother.
Okay, are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
3 kids.
How old are your kids?
One 9 years old. One daughter, 2 daughters, 9 years old, 13 years old, one son, 10 years old.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay, are you a high school or college graduate?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
Kuwait City, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years and 5 months, ma'am. Finished contract. And UAE, 2 years, 2 years and 1 month, finished contract.
Okay, what are your main duties with them?
My main duties, household works, taking care of kids, cooking, and cleaning, ironing, washing, all of them, madam.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because the salary of Hong Kong is high than the other countries.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
A little bit, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them in a good manners, how to read, write, and sing with a nursery song.
Can you give an example of nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling a lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
About myself, I'm honest, respectful, patient, obedient, hardworking, talkative.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, can you give a short message to your future employer?
Hi, madam, sir. Hope you will give me a chance to work with you. I'm willing to do my duties, to finish my contract, follow your rules, and obey your instruction. All of them, I will.
Okay, can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.